Safelist marketing with European Safelist. Let's talk about it. And we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. So we're talking about how to do Safelist marketing to get leads, to grow your affiliate marketing business or any type of business that you're promoting using European Safelist. If you missed my last video with me talking about European Safelist where I was banned, yes, they banned my account. You want to check out that other video that just popped up in the cards. It'll make more sense of why I got banned, and it's pretty comical and disrespectful of what some of the stuff that we were emailing back and forth. So after the lady called me a scammer or asked me was I a scammer, I told her that I wanted to speak to the manager, like, you're an employee, let me speak to somebody above you. I was being disrespectful, I ain't gonna lie. And I ended up getting a response to the website owner granting me my account back. Very, very grateful for that. I stood up for myself. I got my account back. Yes. All right. So I just want to talk a little bit about European Safelist and how to use it and how to get the best results with it. All right. Let's jump into the laptop. So with European Safelist, they currently have 17,000, almost 18,000 members. And it's just like any other Safelist. You get to email their members and collect credits by viewing other people's emails in return so that you can email your own. And you can email anything you want to, any type of affiliate product, MLM, business opportunity, even crypto. You can definitely use this to get real eyeballs on your landing pages and the things that you want to promote. So click the link at the bottom of the description, create your free account, and follow along with me as we're going to share with you how I use it. And I'm going to send one of my past emails, if I can. Actually, I'm not sure if I sent an email in there and they lock me out, because as a free member, I think you can only send an email every 3 days or something. Anywho, let's jump in the computer and let me show you step by step. So after creating your account, you're gonna land right here, and it's simple. Just click join now, fill out the information. They may send you a confirmation email to your email. Click on that confirmation link and then you'll have full access. All right. So after you get full access, you want to log in, and you'll usually see a login ad, but you will get 500 credits just for logging in. All right. So let's click here to log in. And this is everything right here. You got your account information, the affiliate program, on what they offer if you refer members. You got the membership benefits. Let's click on this right here, and you can compare the benefits, right? Credit-based mailers for free. Yeah, it's every 3 days as a free member. As a silver member, you can email all the members every 2 days, and as a pro member, you can email every 3 days. What interesting. Okay, interesting that as a pro member, you think you would be able to mail every 2 days, but for pro members, you mail every 3 days to free, silver, and pro members. And you can save up to 15 messages. You get up to 100 credits. And sign up credits, you get 140,000. And you get monthly credits at 80,000. And you can submit this is pretty cool. Also, you can email your ads in HTML, which means you can hyperlink your YouTube channel, which is something I like doing when I have the ability to do that with other Safelists, sending people to other links. Then you got the visual HTML and all these amazing stuff. So definitely check this out. All right, I ain't gonna go through all this, man. But they even have an autoresponder. This is something that's hot right here. You probably can save a lot of money, right? $3 a month. That's the cheapest autoresponder you ever gonna get. I've never seen an autoresponder this low in price with all these benefits. So definitely check that out for yourself. Let me go back and send an email if I can. Right? I may not be able to. I don't know if I'll be using this thing, so I don't know if I got enough credits. But you can save messages also, which is something I really like, and have it already set up for you with the headline and then the message, so you can just send with credits whenever you have credits enough to mail. All right. So let's do that right now. They even have banners. Where's the banners at? Oh, the banners right here. You're allowed up to 5 banners, and these get clicks. All right. These are from real people viewing your banners when they open the emails, and you could have your stuff being clicked on. All right. So let's try to see if we can send a. Amen. I could email y'all. I could email. Let me see if I got enough credits though. Oh, I only got 3,000 credits. We're gonna use those 3,000 credits anyway, just for the sake of the video. I want to show you how simple this thing is to really just email. All right. So better results. Want viral co-op traffic. I want to promote this one right here. So look, click send with credit mailer. Your stuff is gonna pop up. Look like it popped up wrong because of some reason. I don't know. All right. So we gotta clean this up. All right. Give me a second. We gotta delete all this HTML nonsense. Okay. Amen. So that wasn't too bad. That's quicker, right? Better results. Want viral co-op traffic, and this is about actual hits for you. If you're not a member of Actual Hits for You, it is a viral co-op to where you submit your ads to one place and they distribute your ads to hundreds of other websites. It's pretty amazing, and they've been around since 2015. All right, they have an amazing one-time offer for lifetime traffic. I highly suggest you take advantage of that. But this is what I'm promoting in this email, and we're going to use all these credits for the sake of the video. Usually I would push to the max of 17,000, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to spend these credits right here, and it's really that simple, right? Free members are allowed to email every 3 days, so I have to wait. Yeah, I gotta wait another 3 days until I'm able to email again. And of course, I'm gonna have to click some credits in order for me to get some more credits. But it's a good Safelist to use. European Safelist is a quality Safelist that you can use to get your emails and your ads seen, right? No matter what you're promoting. If you missed the video where I got banned, that video is pretty entertaining. You might want to watch that one. Other than that, guys, like this video. Email Safelist does work, and you can use a bunch of them, right? They're free to join, and they do get results. They don't produce the best of results. You know, you may have to email a bunch, but you can get some leads and you can get some sales. All right. So that's all I got for you in this video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop new videos. Keep learning, keep marketing, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.